Heyo, and welcome to today's hair video. So I'm finally ditching the last bit of my purple hair ends and trading it in. We're doing some Bayalage or flamboyage using the Blonde Brilliance and lightening powders, followed by applying the Wella toners T14 and T18. Since the Wella T14 is best for more orange, golden color, and the T18 is better for yellow, the highlight color after washing out the bleach will actually determine which toner, if not actually even both, that I'll be using. There are links to the products that I'm using in the video's description. I do receive a small amount of compensation when you choose to purchase from these links. You will not be charged extra by using them, and you're going to be helping me keep supplied with ice cream, so it's a win-win. Okay, so getting started. Now I've already actually put the coconut oil in my hair and it's been sitting in for a good few hours. So I'm gonna start with the Bayalage and get that ready. So I am using two different kinds. The level 9, wait, did I get that right? I think actually the level 9. So they have a level 9 and a level 7, and they actually say that their level 7 is like meant for Baylaging, but I want the Bayalage to kind of, I guess, ombre a little bit, but the tips to be, really as light as possible. So that's why I got the level 9 bleaching powder as well. So I'm going to do them separately, though, not mix them together with the 35 developer. So, okay, let's get going with that, and I'll show you the technique that I will be using to do the Bayalage. Okay, so when I will be applying the lightening powder or the bleach, whatever, I'll be using a Bayalage board and brush really fast. This is how I'm doing my sectioning. So as you can see, the sectioning is diagonal lines and then one across. You can see the blue here, and then above it I'll be going straight across with one. And then for these little sections, this will be how I'll be about more or less painting it on. So this is the section of hair. There'll be diamond shaped ones, one that's the V shape on the edges, and on the very top I'll probably add a few extra just highlights or baby lights to try to blend in the darker color of my hair, my natural color.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before.
Okay, well, I'm finished putting all of the lightener in. So it kind of, I guess, turned into like Bayalage ombre, flamboyage, whatever. So as you can see, and we'll see what it looks like when it's rinsed out and dried. But likeliness that I will have to use both the Wella T14 and T18 is looking pretty strong. So I will actually, instead of mixing them like I have in the past, I will be doing them separately and kind of trying to pick and choose a little bit so I can get these to really, be kind of a bright silver or almost white color. So, okay, I'm gonna rinse out. Okay, so as you can see, I've got my hair now all sectioned out, and I'm gonna be putting the Wella T14 and T18 on, but in different areas. So wherever I have like orangey, kind of so closer to the roots and stuff, I'm going to be putting on the T14. I always get these mixed up. I'd write it down actually. Yeah, the T14 is going to be for the orange and some yellows, and then the T18 is for the yellow, which I'm going to do on my ends more. So I'm going to also be using them in bottles. So I'm going to put the T14 in this one because it's got a cool little nozzle that bends so I can get little spots and stuff too. That'll be fun to try. And then this one. It's like a little comb I'm going to use for my ends so I can get them on fast, because you really don't want to leave this on for more than 30 minutes. So, okay, let's get going.
Heartbreak, that's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak? I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak?
Okay, so I have it all in, and it is processing right now. And when the 30 minutes is up, I'm gonna go rinse it out and dry it, and we'll see how it looks.
You got me breathing better than ever. I'm working on it. You got me racing, trying to.
So though I was wanting some of the ends to be a bit lighter, I'm overall quite happy with the way that it came out. And again, I used both the Wella T18 and T14 separately, not mixed together, and both with a 20 developer. Thanks for watching, everyone, and for more hair tutorial videos, beauty, fashion, and life hacks, as well as unboxings and DIY projects, consider subscribing, clicking the bell button next to it while you're there, so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. So which products have you used and loved for balayaging or achieving a silver or white hair color? Let me know in the comments. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up button, and we will see you on the next video. Alright, bye.
You're already there.